Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It's January 20th, 2021. It's Wildcat Wednesday. Let me move over so you can see my Wildcat Wednesday shirt. We're going to start with the Pledge of Allegiance, and then we're going to talk a lot about determination and trying to meet your goal. So let's start with the Pledge of Allegiance. Can you please stand up with me? Stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice job. You can have a seat and show me slant. Get everything all settled. Let's talk about determination this week. So, on Thursday or Friday, maybe even today, some of you have your PLP conference, and you're going to set a goal that you're going to try and reach. We've been talking all about those goals. Today we're going to shift and talk about determination, because to reach your goal, you're going to have to try super, super hard to reach that goal. We've all done hard things before in our life. We've talked about the power of yet. We've talked about really hard things that you've had to learn, and I want you to talk about this with your class today. Let me show my slide. What do you tell yourself when you are trying very hard? So part of determination is trying like really, really hard. I'm not going to give up. I'm going to keep trying this thing until I can figure it out. Maybe I'm trying to learn how to ride my bike. Maybe I'm trying to learn how to tie my shoe. Maybe I'm trying to learn to read a new book that I really, really want to read, but it's kind of hard. Maybe I'm trying really hard on a certain math concept or a certain level of ST math. I want you to have a chat and talk to your class. When you're trying really hard and you're like, I am never going to give up, I'm showing determination, what do you tell yourself? There's something going on in your head. You're not just trying hard for fun and not thinking about it. At that moment, you're so focused, you're trying so hard. What kinds of things do you tell yourself? Have a chat with your class about that. Have a great day, Achieve.